Hello and welcome to this short video on forecasting with machine learning and Power BI, brought to you by Acterys Solutions. If you are in the supply chain, finance or marketing department, you have probably seen or have created a forecast. Now, this may be a forecast on how many products you may sell or what demand will be for a service. But irrespective of what you are forecasting, chances are that you have used a spreadsheet and have relied on historical data and modelling to make future predictions. Now, if you're a small business, this may work great, but once you scale to hundreds or even thousands of products spread across multiple business units, manually handling spreadsheets becomes an inefficient and costly problem. Manually handling spreadsheets across multiple forecasts can also take a great deal of time, inhibiting the frequency at which a forecast can be delivered. In some cases, businesses are stuck with quarterly or at best monthly forecasts simply because of the time and effort needed for each one. Worse, inaccurate forecasts can put a strain on your supply chain and profit margins. So what can we do? Well, a great way to solve this problem and introduce some additional intelligence into the process is to use a combination of Power BI and Acterys. Power BI serves as a powerful replacement to Excel because it can ingest data from just about anywhere and show it precisely how you want. It also gives you the ability to filter and manipulate the data, but with a much lower risk of manual mistakes. So why Acterys? Well, Acterys is a forecasting tool in its own right, embedded into Power BI. In our case, we will use it to allow us to change data directly from our dashboard and see the effect of our forecasting change in real time. To introduce AI or machine learning into our forecasting, we have built a simple regression model using Azure Machine Learning. We can then send the forecasting data to our machine learning model and receive some predictions based on that data. The data that we are using is based on a fictional orange juice company and contains weekly sales results. In our simplified approach, we are only focusing on the 4 P's of marketing: place, product, promotion, and price. Our dependent or class variable that we want to predict is the quantity of units sold in a given week. To get our prediction, we will simply make adjustments to the price and see how that affects our quantity forecast. Let's see what this looks like in practicality. Okay, so here we are in the example Power BI dashboard. We can see some basic sales metrics here, but the 2 important sections to look at are on the top right, which is our Acterys table, and on the bottom left, we have our quantity prediction table. This is where the machine learning model is connected, so when the price is changed, it will give us a new prediction for the quantity that will sell for the week. To make the change to the price, we can use the Acterys table to make edits directly here on the dashboard. So let's do that now. At the moment, we have Tropicana selling at $2.30, and we can see that based on that price, our machine learning prediction is 14,788 quantities for the week. Let's see what happens when we change that. So I can edit this directly here in the dashboard, and I want to discount by 30 cents to $2. I can then save this directly back to my database, and when I do that and refresh the data, the machine learning model picks up that new information and creates a new prediction based on my new price, store location, brand, and whether I'm advertising or not. Based on this data, it will give me a new quantity prediction here, so we can see if we discount by 30 cents, we're now expected to sell 15,121 units. Of course, this is a fairly simple machine learning model, taking into account only a few features like the store and the brand and whether we're advertising, and of course the price. However, we can make vastly more complicated models that will use features like the weather and or time of year, for example, and they will provide us more accurate predictions. If you would like to learn more, contact us here at Acterys Solutions for a one-on-one discussion on how Power BI and machine learning could help you improve your forecasting.